this is Nobuko. I'd like to start to the Nobuko's kitchen. So today's menu is egg sandwich. Japanese say Tamago Sandwich. So let's make it and here we go. Okay, I'd like to introduce to the what I will use to item. First, I use for of course the bread, 2 pieces bread, egg, mayonnaise, butter, and salt and peppers. Okay, today is the menu is a very simple one. So let's enjoy to cooking. First is let's cut the bread. Okay, here. Okay, so we cut the egg, boil egg also. This egg is 10 minutes the boil. We cut and the egg we make the separate. This one I make the mash. Okay, so next I put into egg. Okay, next mayonnaise. And butter. And salt. And pepper. And mix. Okay, let's make it only just one side. We put into the grit. So cover and we cut. today's menu egg sandwich, tamago sando. So it looks so yummy, and this is a very good for to the lunch, and you can eat to the sometimes to the for to the party menu also. Please enjoy to this tamago sandwich. See you next time.